Alright guys, this is going to be the unboxing of the TNT The Perfect Show Assortment. This is a $99 assortment. I live in California, so we have all Safe and Sane fireworks. And it contains 49 pieces, so you can see the contents. Alright, so really quick, just going into the catalog here for this year. I didn't end up going to the stands last year, but just looking at the prices, they don't look like they jumped up, which is pretty nice. You can see here they did substitute out the Pinata Buster in there for Rain Dance and the Golden Shower Fountain, but it's 99 bucks. And then new for 2015. 6 new ones there. So I did end up spending about 200 bucks, 100 on the assortment, and then I got all this stuff over here. I've never tried these things, the California candle combo pack, but I have looked them up on YouTube and they do look pretty cool, so it was like $5.99 for those. Morning Glories, kids love these things. There's a new one for 2015. Sir Dumps a Lot. Had them throw these in for free. It's basically a giant snake that comes out, looks like the dog's pooping, and some fireworks shoot out the front. It's pretty funny looking, but got the triple treat. Got 2 packs of the ground blooms. 3 packs of Morning Glories, and then the Piccolo Pete's there. Purple Rain, still buy one get one free. These are pretty good. I've always liked doing these ones. Mad Dog Fountains, these last pretty long. They're decent in weight. Those are $17.99, buy one get one free. Got the Fire Crackle. It's a new box. I don't know if they had this one last year, but from the previous year this changed, so those are still buy one get one free as well. Got a bunch of these TNT blasts, and then I decided to try stacks up this year. Usually I get the Delirium, but I looked this up on YouTube and it seems like it's got a pretty good finale at the end. See, goes through 2 of these rows, and then for a finale it goes through the last 4 all at the same time, so it looks pretty cool. It is a maximum impact 500 gram finale. It's 40 bucks. So we're moving on to the Perfect Show assortment. Alright, we got, looking in here, start off with Pyrofan. It's a pretty light fountain. Alright. We got Starfire. I've always liked doing this one. It's pretty cool. We got 2 punks. The Pyrofire. Global Lights. Blazing Rebel. This one's also been one of my favorites in the past. We got Mortarfire. So this one actually has the same performance as Starfire. It's both white glittering and crackles. You see it's white glittering and crackles as well. Not sure if those are the same or not. Going on to some of the novelties you get in here, you get a bunch of these lightning flashes. Yeah, a box of these flashing fountains, just these little fountains in here. The Golden Shower Fountain. Again, this was a substitute for the Pinata Buster, as well as Rain Dance. Under here you got another box of lightning flashes. This box is slightly bigger. I don't know what that means, but it is slightly bigger than the other ones. So this is the Mini-Me fountain. Get 2 in there. We got Mother Nature. Another box of lightning flashes. That's 5 total novelty items. And you got this 4-pack of fountains. They're 7-inch. Been around for a while. You got Silver Spangler, Freedom of 76, Giant Mystery Geyser, and Razzler Dazzler. So those are your smaller fountains that you get in there. Novelties. 5 medium-sized fountains. And you get the bigger ones. These ones weigh a little bit more, so I imagine they'll last longer. Outbox. Dancing sombreros. And combustion chamber. It's not focusing. Alright, so all together you get 5 medium, your 3 bigger fountains, 5 novelty boxes, and then decent amount of starter fountains that you get in there. But again, that's $99 for the assortment, and then I got all this other stuff for about $100 more. So in total, you see there, about $200 worth of fireworks. Pretty decent. If you have any questions, just let me know.